Hi guys, it's Lulu from Boho Locs here, and today we're going to be talking all about protecting your hair underneath your protective style. So Boho Locs are crochet locks that are designed for us, by us, with a view for them to protect your natural hair. It's important for your natural hair to stay hydrated and moisturized so that it stays breakage free when you're wearing your protective style. If you weren't aware, Afro textured hair is the driest hair type, and so we need to put moisture in the hair and seal it into the hair before we put our protective style in to ensure that the hair does not dry out. So I'm here with the lovely Abigail today, who has 3B type hair, and I'm first of all going to go in with a water-based moisturizer, which is going to penetrate into her actual hair shaft. Then I'm going to follow up with a leave-in conditioner, which is a cream-based, relatively heavy product, which is then going to seal all of that moisturizer into her hair. The view being, when we comb her hair, we put the locks in. When she takes them out, down the road, the hair will still be moisturized and won't be dry underneath. Okay, so moisturizer first. We're using a water-based product from Palmer's, which is coconut oil formula leave-in conditioner. So I asked Abby what products that she used, and this is one of them. So here we go. When we're applying the moisturizer, it's important to concentrate on the mid-lengths and the ends of the hair. The ends of the hair are the oldest parts and therefore the most fragile, so we need to make sure that we're getting those hydrated especially. They're more important than, for example, say the roots. So there we go, nice and hydrated. So I'm now going to follow up with some moisturizing hair cream. This is Abby's choice. It's from Afro, and it's a thick moisturizing hair cream that we're going to use to seal in the water-based moisture we just put in. So again, we want to focus the products into the mid-lengths and the ends of the hair. And there we have it. Abby's hair is now moisturized and sealed and ready for her protective style.